Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to master AI tools in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries worldwide. From chatbots and image generators to predictive analytics and automation, AI tools are more accessible and powerful than ever before. First, let's get started by signing up for some of the most popular AI platforms. OpenAI, Google Cloud AI, and IBM Watson offer robust tools that you can start using today. Next, familiarize yourself with the basics. Each platform offers comprehensive tutorials. For example, OpenAI provides documentation and examples to help you understand how to use GPT-4 for text generation. AI tools can be applied to solve real-world problems. In healthcare, for instance, AI can assist in diagnosing diseases. In finance, it can help predict market trends. And in marketing, AI can optimize ad campaigns. To truly master AI tools, dive into advanced techniques. Learn how to set parameters, train custom models, and integrate AI with other software. This will set you apart as a power user. AI technology is constantly evolving. Stay updated by subscribing to newsletters, following AI influencers, and joining online communities. This will help you stay ahead of the curve. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering AI tools in 2024. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and learning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Subscribe now, watch more tutorials.